In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off power saving mode in Windows 11. So all you need to do is go to the Start menu, then go to Settings. If you can't see it, just search for Settings and it will open. It should open the home page. If it doesn't, or if you're on any other page, what you want to do is go to System and then go to Power and Battery. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the power options on your computer. So if you go to Energy Saver, you can go ahead and turn Energy Saver off. So if this is turned on, turn it off. You can also turn off this here where it says lower your screen brightness when using Energy Saver. If you go then to battery usage, you can go ahead and scroll down and see your battery usage and the apps that have used it. Now what we want to do also is go to power mode, and if you go onto power mode, you can then see when it's plugged in, you can change this to best performance. Mine right now is on best power efficiency, but you can change it to best performance, and then same on battery, you can change this to best performance as well if that is what you're after. And then a couple more things. Again, we're still on the power and battery section. You can go to screen sleep and hibernate timeout, and here when your computer is plugged in, if you don't want your screen to ever turn off, you can go ahead and change this from whatever it is by default to never. Mine is on never, so when my laptop's plugged in, the screen will never turn off. Then on battery, I have got it set to 15 minutes, it will turn off, but you can change this to never also. And then finally, if you go ahead and exit out of this when you've done that and you search for Control Panel, you can go ahead and click on your Control Panel. Now go to Power Options, and here you can see the power plan that you're on. So I'm on Balanced. We can change this, and again you've got them same settings we just changed earlier. You can go to Change Advanced Power Settings, and you can change it from Balanced, and you can go ahead and change these settings. If you wanted to, you could go into each of these settings and change it for each different one, but that's going to be up to you. Those are all of the settings you can essentially turn on and off. I hope that video was useful.